Hello YouTube, welcome to our second video from our trip to the Dona Ana Mountains last weekend. We worked our way up to the cave that I highlighted in a previous video, and it was a pretty cool trip up there. Sit back and enjoy the scenery. As you're wandering around through this area, there's roads that go everywhere. There's intersections everywhere. You kind of have to look up ahead and at what you're trying to aim towards and try to grab a trail towards it, but that doesn't keep you from possibly running into a dead end and making the wrong turn. I use a Samsung tablet with backcountry nav, and I also have a Garmin Glow GPS antenna. So together they work really well, and I usually track these trips, and so that way later on down the road when we go again, I'll use the tablet to navigate. From these aerial shots, you can see all the roads. They never stop. This is where having a means to navigate, like the tablet I mentioned, really comes in handy. Because when you go back and you realize you're making a wrong turn and you come up and go, well, which way do I go? You can look at your lines and go, yeah, I need to go this way. All the rain that we've been getting has greened things up. I have seen it greener, but it's definitely pretty country right now. This is more or less the base of the cave. You can either park down at the bottom or you can drive up to the top and park on an angle. But then you have to just drop over that edge, and there's a little trail that takes you up to the other side where the cave is actually at. The cave is on the east side of the mountain, so it's facing to the west. So you can catch some really, really awesome sunsets from this location. That's pretty much it for the trip. We did plan a ride after lunch, but the intruder decided to take that nap and kind of change the course of the day. Our next planned trail ride will be the 25th of September, and that'll be going to the Robledos. So we ought to be able to get some good footage. We'll plan some nice little trails, probably be there all day because it's cooling off. That dove season starts here 1st September, so I'll be posting some videos from opening day of dove season, and then the second week of September there's a cowboy action shoot that's a New Mexico State Championship shoot, so that ought to be fun. Ought to be quite a few stages to show off. Thanks for joining us, and take care.